Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe down below. It's either right here or right here. Oh, just subscribe. So if you guys have seen any of my videos or anything, you know that this background is like, you don't know this background actually. That is because I'm in Indiana right now. I wasn't planning on vlogging this just because I wasn't going to tell you guys where I'm going to college or anything like that, just for one, safety reasons, and two, I didn't ever like want to do a video because I hate like the guess where I'm going to college videos, but I guess that's what I'm doing now. So so anyways, one of the main questions that you guys have always asked me for like a couple months now, it's like the question on every single video, is where I'm going to school. And I am going to school at Indiana University.
Go Hoosiers!
A lot of you probably think that I'm going to Chapman because it was either Chapman or Indiana where I was gonna decide of where I was going to school. And for a long time it was Chapman because I thought I could not go anywhere but LA. But I decided that it would be a good idea to live in Indiana and like come to school here because they have the major that I really like, which is media, and I think it would be really good for my YouTube thing, whatever I end up doing with YouTube, or just like a future career if YouTube doesn't work out. And I don't know, I feel like I am really interested in media, and that is like one of the main reasons why I chose to come here for the media school. And yeah, so I'm here for this weekend because I have my orientation, like a little mini orientation of like where I pick my schedule and everything, and then I have a like sit down with a counselor and then I pick my schedule. So yeah. You guys will be seeing a lot of college videos and
Go Hoosiers!
It's my dad in the background. Also, comment down below any video ideas you guys want to see for college. I am going to be doing a bunch of them, so comment down your requests. I think my dad and I are gonna go get a bite to eat right now, so no. But yeah.
Go Hoosiers!
Okay, I will see you guys at dinner.
I think I'm gonna get the big summer salad. That looks really good. Also guys, this place is called The Farm. If anyone is in Indiana, I don't know. I'm the worst vlogger and forgot to film, but this is the hummus and like, I don't even like pita chips, I guess. This is my salad that I got. Got a burger. Not so healthy.
It's totally healthy.
Yeah, totally. Just finished dinner. It was really good. You guys have to go to The Farm if you are ever in Bloomington. We're gonna go get some ice cream right now, so yeah. It is 7:49 and it is still bright out. How insane is that? I can't get up. Soft serve all the way. You already ate yours? Vanilla soft serve, always. So good. So I asked my dad to take some photos of me, and this is what he got. Guys, you can't even see me. I look like a little blob.
Oh, the hand.
Hi guys, it's really quiet in here, so I feel like it's kind of awkward if I vlog.
Seriously, why are we sitting right here?
Because I don't want anyone to see me vlog.
We're here at orientation. We're having Starbucks for breakfast. Are you excited about orientation?
Yes, I'm very excited.
I'm
really nervous.
Oh, that's so sweet. What are you most excited about?
I'm really excited to hopefully make a friend.
Oh.
Just one. That's all.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Just talk to someone. That's nice.
Okay.
I hope people are nice.
Everyone's nice. It's the Midwest. We love.
I'm nervous.
Don't be nervous. This is an exciting day.
Hopefully today goes well. I'm gonna bring my camera, but I don't know if anyone will want me to vlog or if they're gonna be weirded out by me vlogging, so I'll keep you guys posted. But if I don't talk to you guys there, then I'm totally gonna talk to you guys like right after, and then I'll film the rest of my trip here. Okay guys, I'm going in. Wish me luck. Okay, talk to you guys later.
Oh God.
I'm gonna start crying. Okay, bye. Okay, I just got back from orientation. It went really well. I met a lot of friends. I honestly was really nervous. So if any of you guys get nervous about like meeting new people, I feel like I'm very talkative, but I am also like very nervous. I don't know why, because like when I meet someone, I can like talk their ear off. Like I'm so talkative and I'm not shy by any means, but I just get really like stressed out about that type of stuff. So if you get stressed out about that stuff, me too, girl, or boy, me too. But I'm happy that went well. I'm happy it's over. I'm happy I met some people. We're actually gonna go downstairs and try and get some IU sweatshirts, hats, stuff for my dad. Who's your dad? So I will see you guys there. He gave us a ton of stuff, just like stickers. Hit me up if you guys want this stuff. Hit me up for a giveaway. I like this one. I think I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this one instead. I like how it's just like simple little logo. Real question is, should I get these? Damage is done. This is campus, guys. It's such a pretty day out too. It's the school that I'm gonna be in, the media school. So if you shake this guy's hand, it's supposedly good luck. And if the parent shakes its hand.
So I'm gonna do it twice. Once for you and once for your brother. Here, you shake your hand. I'll take a picture.
Good?
Yeah, good.
Some quality content. Good morning, everyone. It is a new day. I have a scheduling meeting in an hour. I'm all dressed and ready. I'm just really tired. We leave to go back home today, so I don't know what else we're gonna be doing today, but I will of course bring you guys with me. And yeah, let me actually wake up and show you guys my outfit. Just wearing this red dress from Free People. It has like a little tie in the front, and I'm gonna just wear my Supergas with it. I just got my schedule. It went really good.
Why?
My dad helped me plan it.
Why did it go really well? She crashed the system because she was so prepared.
I did. I had all my classes set up and they were like, there seems to be a glitch in the system. And then they're like, oh, it's just because you were too over-prepared. And I was like, I've never heard that before in my entire life. But yeah, we're just chilling right now.
Like a mega villain, Paige and Dad take Beantown. Yep. Oh, wait till Father's Weekend. It's gonna rock.
Okay, I'll see you guys at breakfast. I just got an avocado toast on whole wheat bread. This is so good, guys. We're on our way to the airport right now, so I'll see you guys there. Peace out, B-Town. See you in August. Wow. Where are your kids going to school again? I forgot.
Hoosier. Congratulations. Blake, who is also a Hoosier. They're going to school together, which is pretty amazing from my perspective.
Oh wow, we're getting
family weekend. And should I start crying now, or is that good?
Okay. I think I'm gonna end the vlog up here. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye guys.